In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. We'll be setting up an HR workflow using one of Monday.com's built-in templates, which is a great way to get started quickly without having to build everything from scratch. If you're managing hiring, candidate tracking, or general recruitment tasks, this approach can save a lot of time and give you a solid structure right away. To begin, go to your Monday.com workspace and look for the plus icon near the workspace area. This is where you can create something new inside your account. Click that plus icon to open the creation options. From the menu that appears, click on Board. In Monday.com, a board is the main place where your work is organized. Think of it as the central hub where your HR process, tasks, and candidate information will live. Choosing a board is the right starting point because it gives you a visual and manageable setup for your team. Next, select. Start with template. This is especially helpful if you don't want to build an HR board manually. Templates come pre-structured, so they already include useful layouts and categories that match common business needs. For HR teams, that means less setup and a faster path to getting organized. Once the template center opens, click on HR. This section groups together templates specifically designed for human resources use cases. It helps narrow down the options so you can focus on tools that are relevant to hiring and people operations. After that, click on Recruitment Pipeline. This template is designed to help you track candidates through the hiring process. It typically provides a clear overview of each stage, making it easier to monitor progress and stay on top of recruiting activity. Now, click on Use Template. This tells Monday.com to create a new board based on the recruitment pipeline structure. At this point, the platform will begin generating the board inside your workspace, using the template's default setup. Then simply wait for it to load. Depending on your connection and account speed, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes loading, your new HR board will be ready to use, and you can begin reviewing the layout and preparing it for your team's hiring workflow. That's it. By following this process, you can quickly launch an HR-focused board in Monday.com using a ready-made recruitment template, which makes setup easier and helps you start organizing your hiring process right away.